Alright, this is part of the trail, and I'm going to keep it nice and steady. But you can see it's just, everything is just so beautiful. And you can hear the water. And I'm trying not to shake this camera too much, but you got to remember I'm walking on, well, you see what I'm walking on. Kind of a rocky, little bit of a rocky terrain. It's just fantastic. I mean, if you ever have the opportunity, you know, you got to come out here and you got to live. I mean, wow. What else can I say other than wow? You see every footstep I take, I shake the camera a little bit, but, you know, I'm trying to tiptoe. And, oh boy, isn't that beautiful? Isn't that just very beautiful? So I can keep from falling down here. This little stream just cutting across, and everywhere you look are beautiful waterfalls. I mean, I didn't know, I've never been here before. I didn't know this was here. And look at that. And I don't know if you can tell, but through those trees right there, there's another waterfall. And I think that's the big 100-foot waterfall. But I'm not quite sure. I think it is. Should be. Let's see if we can get up there a little bit, take a look at it, and kind of get a view of what Mother Nature has in store for us. I know this camera doesn't do it justice, but it is incredibly, incredibly beautiful out here. I wouldn't trade this for the world. I mean, you can buy a ticket to get in, and you can pay $5 to park, but you can't put this in your living room. And other than coming out here and seeing it and experiencing it, you're not going to get to take a look at it. And I'm trying to give you a view up this mountain here. There's the waterfall. We're going to keep climbing, and we're going to get a look at what we have here. And we're going to do this together. And you can imagine climbing up this with one hand. It's a little bit of a challenge. I'm not going to lie. I'm no superhero, and I don't have a cape. I don't have any ropes, so I have a pair of tennis shoes on and a pair of glasses. Oh, wow. Isn't that beautiful? I love being outside. I love being on the go. Whoa. That's a little waterfall. If we get closer, you can see behind it is the big waterfall. I'm looking through the viewfinder, and it's hard to tell, but there's a huge waterfall behind that. Oh, if not in volume, at least in the height. Look at that. Look at that. I'm going to turn it around. Shit. Alright. Whoa. I got my foot in the water here, because it's not easy to climb on loose rocks. Oh, that is slippery. And wet. And I think I'm doing pretty good. And as you can tell, I'm in paradise. I mean, I don't think you can get much better than coming out here and taking a day trip and walking around and looking at things that are so beautiful that the only word you can come up with is wow. If you look behind me, I kind of hit my ankle, and my ankle hurts a little bit, but I'll worry about that tonight when I get home. Right now, I'm caught up in the moment, caught up in everything around me, everything that I see. It's breathtaking. This is a river. This is where you get clean water. This is where Mother Nature aerates the water, cleans it, brings it back to you. And you see everything alive around me. Everything's alive. Everything's vitality. Things are in the cycle of life. Yeah, leaves are falling on the ground. You're adding to the chemistry of the trees and the richness of the soil. And new trees are sprouting up. They're taking their place. And this waterfall that I'm at the bottom of, but they tell me it's 100 feet. And it's not very ferocious, but it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I hope you enjoy seeing what I'm seeing today. And I'll let you look around a little bit more. And just look at that. I know there's a little water on the lens. I mean, look at that. Doesn't that make you just feel glad to be alive? This is Northwest Georgia. We're in CloudCanyon National Park. We're not in the Chattahoochee National Forest, but we're on the edge of it. And I feel great. I feel really great. You can look down, you get a view of the stream, and I'm on a big rock here. You see, I'm not wearing any type of special gear. And this just keeps going down river. So I hope you enjoy, and I'm going to head up a little bit. Okay.